Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use marshmallow flowers in order to assist in your healing process. So previously, we've talked about marshmallow as a whole plant and the way that you can use it in different kinds of recipes that promote health and wellness. But in today's video, we're going to focus on the flowers in particular. The flowers are very gentle. They're very edible as well. You can use them as a decoration in your baking and in your cakes as well if you're interested in that. They also use it to make a syrup, especially for coughs, to help in relieving mucus, to help in relieving phlegm as well. So if you're able to harvest the marshmallow and you wait until the flowering stage, then you are free to harvest it in summer. It's a very beautiful part of the marshmallow plant that mainly is used to make syrup. As we said, the syrup is easy, it's simple. You can simply use it with make the syrup using cane sugar or using honey. And apart from that, the marshmallow flowers have been used in any sort of decoration with baking and stuff, and they're very useful and they're very beautiful for that. So the way that I use the marshmallow flowers is to make a simple syrup with marshmallow flowers as well as some cane sugar and also some chamomile as well, just because the chamomile flowers have similar benefits to marshmallow flowers and I feel like they work best that way. So previously we did make a whole video about the marshmallow plant, which you will find the link to that video in the description box below. If you have not yet seen that video, I highly recommend, because I'll be covering ways to use the flowers, the leaves, the root, as well as some simple recipes that you can adopt using the marshmallow plant. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you've not yet subscribed, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is short and simple, and we're going to talk about the ways that you can use the leaves of the marshmallow plant. Previously, I've done a whole video talking about marshmallow plant as a whole in ways that you can use it holistically in order to improve your health and wellness. The link for that video will be found in the description box below. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love to have you on board. We do daily videos talking about health, wellness, tips and tricks that I personally tried myself for both myself and my family. So let's talk about the leaves of the marshmallow plant. Basically, they're used to help in soothing and in healing the symptoms associated with the urinary tract and the bronchial lungs as well, are mostly used for coughs, for irritating coughs as well. It's a very lovely plant, a part of the plant, and it contains flavonoids. It also contains other phenolic acid compounds that are really important for our health as well. If you're able to harvest this part of the plant, then I highly advise you to go ahead and harvest the marshmallow leaves after the flowering stage in the late summer time. So the leaves, my best way to use the leaves is simple and sweet. I just simply make an infusion out of either dried leaves or fresh leaves. So I'd make an infusion to help in any sort of urinary problems, if there is any. Also, when I feel like my lungs need a little bit of a help, when there's like some sort of cough or any symptom associated with that, I just make myself a hot cup of marshmallow leaf infusion and I sweeten it with honey or stevia. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and if you found this video helpful in any way, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Take care and have a great Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video, we're specifically talking about the marshmallow root. And no, it's not the marshmallow, the white candy marshmallow that we're all used to. It's the actual root of the marshmallow plant, which is filled with antibacterial properties. It's filled with demulcent properties. It helps to heal wounds. It's actually known as a powerful diuretic as well to help with kidney health. So in today's video, we're going to focus on the root itself. I've previously made a video talking about the marshmallow plant as a whole. I've talked about the flowers, the leaves, the roots, different ways of using marshmallows. You can find the link to that video in the description box below. If you've not yet subscribed, support the channel and subscribe. We do daily videos talking about health and wellness. Let's get started. So the marshmallow root is actually very useful for any sort of wounds, for burns, for boils, for skin ulcerations as well. It's also permissible to take it internally, but please make sure that it's okay for you and consult your doctor, your medical practitioner, because only your medical practitioner will be able to tell you if that is the right thing for you. I do not know your whole history, your health conditions that you face, and also make sure that you do your own research. So, the way I use the marshmallow root, I take it mainly to help in reducing inflammation and also helping with the reducing mucus as well. I find that has helped for me and my family that way. So you can take it by simply making a decoction. So a decoction is basically a strong infusion, a strong concentrated infusion using about 20 grams of the marshmallow root, the dried marshmallow root. Add to that about 1 or 1.5 liters of water. Make sure you boil it down to about half its size, and then that way you do have a decoction ready to go to use that way. And make sure that you get the right as in like the dosages to use. Also consult your naturopath or your holistic medical practitioner that way. If you are able to harvest the root, then you may do so during the stage of autumn or winter. And the marshmallow root also is specifically really important when it comes to helping to reduce the occurrences of urinary tract infections as well. So this has been a video talking about the benefits of the marshmallow root. Then again, if you found this video helpful in any way,